Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate.
Yay! We don't know what the theme is this month, so it's all a surprise. And this is my costume, second day in a row, and of course the Roaring 20s. So my coworkers were 80s and go-go dolls and hippies. It was pretty cool.
Okay, so it's Masks and Paint 2 for Wrestling Crate. That's what it looks like when you open it. Okay, so let's see.
What if it's going to tell you everything again, or if you can guess?
Well, there's Marty, but I don't. Doesn't that look like Jack Nicholson? That's crazy.
That's
I don't
funny.
understand. Like, oh, this must be like a blend because that's the guy.
Oh, it's Thanos.
Huh. This is an interesting.
That is weird. It says last
I
villain.
like it.
Last villain standing, Marty's Squirrel t-shirt. Am I saying that right? Squirrel?
And then there's
Squirrel.
Star Wars, there's Voldemort.
That's
there's...
cool.
Anyway,
That's cool.
That's neat.
Is it going to be you or your husband's?
No, it's mine.
Like dibs.
So hopefully you can see it.
That's awesome.
I know, I was all thrown off. I was like, how come? That's cool. Okay.
We're excited.
Good job. Okay. And then, what does it say? Demon X Bunny? Is that what it says?
Yeah.
I don't.
So what's his name with the bunny?
No.
Wouldn't he be the one with, or is that the wrong wrestling thing? The one who's like the public bunny thing? Is that not him?
You mean on WWE?
Yeah, that's weird. I mean,
Right? I don't.
That's what makes me think of. It's not that, no?
No.
Because it says Demon X Bunny t-shirt. I'm like, I don't know who that is. I'm bad with wrestling.
I don't know that for some reason. I don't know. Okay.
The little Smash Brother dude.
Yeah.
It's cute. What does it say? Oh, it's
Kidding.
Demolition. Smash
Yeah,
Demolition. Yeah.
And
She's
then
tired.
the pin Chainsaw Charlie.
I feel like this is good for Halloween.
Maybe that's why they try to pick it.
It's cute.
Like maybe I don't know.
It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It says this month's charity we donated to Brian Knobs. So that's awesome if they donate to people
And then
or companies. Oh, it's like a full.
should I
Full
put it
on.
on?
Sure.
Can I? Can I even figure
Yeah.
out how
I
to
think-
open it?
yeah. It's a lucha mask, so
Look at my face. Does it stretch?
it ties. So
I'm like, untie it.
and it says matte classic lucha mask.
Should I got it tied like tight? That's not gonna.
Maybe it's like kid size.
See if it fits my big face, huh? Should I try it on? You think
Sure,
it's loose
if
enough?
hopefully.
I'm like
I'd get claustrophobic probably.
making this episode long, not on purpose. I'm like trying to like stretch it out.
Just
here.
getting this
I don't
wig
know.
on, I had to like cut it a little just to fit on my fat head.
Wait.
My wig.
Wait, is that
You're going the right
do I have
way.
a crooked?
You have to go down further.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, well, further. Your hair's in your
I know,
eyes.
I can't see. I feel like I'm on an episode of something where her hair pulls like through the mask. I don't remember what that is. Ah,
Well, it
anyway.
fits. You just need to make sure your hair's back next time, or somehow,
So-
or something.
I could
It'd
be
be
I
easier
could
if
be a
she-
wrestler for Halloween
it'd
and
be
just wear the
easier if she's a
mask.
guy.
Lucha wrestler and yeah, but that's pretty cool. Okay. And then Diva Diaries Sue Young. Does it have any
Plus bonus. Exclusive High Spots DVD.
Sue Young has been here since her first appearance. Huh. I probably didn't get the box that had her first appearance in it. And then the last thing, which should be a signed like autograph thing.
Do you know who it is?
I mean, he looks like a wrestler or character out of like.
It says his signature. I think should be on. Might not be able to read it,
No.
but it's Glacier. And I wouldn't know who that is if it
He
wasn't
looks
for the
like a
cheat
Mortal
sheet
Kombat
card.
character or something like.
The next month is staff favorites, featuring Ric Flair, Bill Goldberg, Brutus Beefcake, Young Bucks. So I was like, cool. Jurassic Express, aw, Jungle Boy, Joey Ryan, and Flip Gordon. So that sounds like next month is gonna be really good. This one was cute though. I like that. It seemed like very Halloween themed. So
Good mix of everything.
worth it for the price. It's what, like 30 something with shipping.
I think it's like 36. Yeah.
But it's just fun.
There's
film.
$6.99 something like
If
that.
this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. And I will put it down below the link for our current giveaway and hopefully you take part in that. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.